हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू एजुकेशन चैनल। आज आम भिडियो गत 5 वर्ष धरी ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम जीएस पेपर 1 आसुवा समस्त पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन विषय डिस्कशन करिया, जोटा कि आपनकर अपकमिंग ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम पे यूजफुल हबो। तो वीडियो को शेष में देखंतु एवं चैनल को जदि सब्सक्राइब करि नांती प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। तो चलंतु वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिवा। तो प्रथम देखंतु ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2015-16 रे जीएस पेपर 1 रे जो सब पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आस्तला सेडू प्रथम देखिनबा। ओके, first question: the provision of providing identity cards to voters has been made in. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the Representation of the People Act 1958. Next question: what will follow if a money bill is substantially amended by the Rajya Sabha? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, that is the Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting or not accepting the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. Okay. Next question: Rajya Sabha is dissolved after every. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, that is not subject to dissolution, जेहेतु राज्य सभा होची परमानेंट हाउस. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: ए मनी बिल कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस ओनली इन. द राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is लोकसभा. पंचायती राज इज इंक्लूडेड इन. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the state list. Who among the following has the power to issue ordinances under Article 129? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the President of India. The doctrine of basic structure of the Indian Constitution was pronounced by the Supreme Court of India in which of the following cases? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the Keswananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Next question: writs can be issued for the enforcement of fundamental rights by. Right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, that is both Supreme Court as well as the High Courts. Which one of the following was the first state to establish institution of the Lokayukta in India? तो ये right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the Maharashtra. Which one of the following was the first committee to demand constitutional recognition for Panchayats? तो यार राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज अशोक मेहता कमिटी. ओके. इन इंडिया कॉलेजियम सिस्टम वाज फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस इन रिलेशन टू. यार राइट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज जुडिशियरी. बर्तमान देखिए हमें ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2016-17 जिस पर जो पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आसला. ओके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट रिलेटिंग टू द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी 1978 require the President of India to act in accordance with the. The right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, collective advice of the entire Council of Ministers. Disqualification on grounds of defection for a member of Parliament will not apply. तो यह right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, in case of a split in the original political party to which he is elected. Which one of the following shall not be considered an adequate ground for the issue of a proclamation of national emergency? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, that is the internal disturbance. The Supreme Court of India is different from its counterpart in the U.S.A. The right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, in its advisory role. Okay. Which one of the following items comes under the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, that is the trade unions. The directive principle of state policy included in the Constitution of India have been inspired by the Constitution of. The right answer is option B, that is the Ireland. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. So here right answer is option D. Okay. The power of Supreme Court of India to decide the dispute between the center and the states falls under its. तो ये right answer है आपका ऑप्शन C, that is the original jurisdictions. Okay. Which country's political party system has been described as empty bottle by Bryce? तो ये right answer है आपका ऑप्शन B, that is U.S.A. The concept of separation of powers was given by. The right answer है आपका ऑप्शन A, that is Montesquieu. Okay. The unlawful detention of a person is questioned by the writ of. Right answer होची आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, habeas corpus. Right to education has been placed in Indian Constitution under the right answer is option A, that is 86th Amendment Act. बर्तमान देखिए OCS Prelim 2017-18 GSP 1 रे जो पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आसला. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इंडियन फेडरेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द पैटर्न ऑफ द राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज कनाडा. Which of the following are included in the Directive Principle of State Policy in the Constitution of India? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 1, 2 and 3. Okay. The philosophical postulates of the Constitution of India are based on the right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, that is the objective resolution of Pandit Nehru 1947. Who among the following was not a member of the State Reorganization Commission (SRC) appointed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन B, that is पोटी श्री रामुलु. बाकी समस्ते यार मेंबर थिले. ओके, अंडर आर्टिकल 368 the parliament has no power to repeal fundamental rights because these are right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, part of basic structure of the constitution. Which of the following is not an element of secular state in India? The right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, taxation on religious property. Which of the following act introduced by bicameral legislature at the central level in India? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, the Government of India Act 1990. Article 371 of the Constitution of India provides for special provision with respect to which of the following states? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is the Maharashtra and Gujarat. Which of the following is not a correct statement regarding unitary system? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, there is constitutional division of powers between the central and the local governments. Okay. Next question. 73rd amendment doesn't apply to the states of. Right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, that is 1, 2 and 4, Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya. The chairman and members of the UPSC hold office for the term of. Right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is 6 years. Which one of the following is not a silent feature of the Constitution of India? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन C, that is the committed judiciary. Judiciary हो जाए अपना independent. Okay. उतना OCS Prelim 2018-19 GSP 1 रे जो सो पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आसला ताको देखिनबा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not the recommendation of the Dinesh Goswami Committee on electoral reforms? तो ये right answer हो जाए अपना ऑप्शन C, voters council should be formed to help free and fair elections. Which one of the following subjects is not included in the concurrent list? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is the capitalization of taxes. Which is not the discretionary power of the President of India? The right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, summon and dissolve parliament sessions. Which article of Indian Constitution speaks about official language of Indian Union? Right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन C, that is article 343. In which year simultaneous elections both for Lok Sabha and all state legislative assemblies were not held? The right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन B, that is 1971. Which among the following states doesn't come under second schedule of Indian Constitution? The right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is the Sikkim. The GST bill which came into implementation from 1st July 2017 is. तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन A, that is the bill number 122 and act number 101. Article 21 of Indian Constitution secures. Right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is the right to life, personal liberty and right to privacy. To which state in Indian Union Article 35A relates? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन C, that is the Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following articles were repealed from Indian Constitution by Constitution 26th Amendment Act 1971? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन A, that is Article 291 and Article 362. प्रथम देखियो ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2019-20 जीएसपी 1 रे जो पॉलिटी क्वेश्चन आस्तला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इंडिया बोरोड द आइडिया ऑफ डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ तो या राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी दैट द रिपब्लिक ऑफ आयरलैंड which one of the following is not a fundamental right anymore तो या राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन ए द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी in which part of the constitution does the concept of welfare state find elaboration तो या राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी दैट द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी right to freedom of religion is guaranteed under the constitution in articles the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी दैट द article 25 to article 28 fundamental rights are enshrined in the constitution of India in the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन B that is part 3 okay the Gandhian principles or philosophy have been enumerated in the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन C that the directive principle of state policy which one of the following sets of bills is presented to the parliament along with the budget तो या राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी जोडे होचे आपन फाइनेंस बिल एंड अप्रोप्रिएशन बिल which among the following is the middle unit of 3-tier panchayat raj system तो राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी दैट इज पंचायत समिति जोडे की ब्लॉक होचे ओके in which chapter of the Indian constitution there is a mention of uniform civil code तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी दैट इन द चैप्टर ऑन directive principle of state policy in case of dispute between the two houses of Indian parliament over an ordinary bill the case is referred to the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी joint sitting of both the houses who represents the government of India while presenting the budget to the parliament the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी दैट the finance minister when a bill is reserved by the governor for the consideration of the president within what time he must return the bill तो या right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन B that is the 6 months okay the chief election commissioner of India holds office for a period of the right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन C for 6 years or till he attains the age of 65 years the Supreme Court of India enjoys the power of judicial review which implies that it can right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन D declare the laws passed by the legislature and order issued by the executive as unconstitutional if they contravene any provision of the constitution. The doctrine of basic structure emerges in the case of right answer होचे आपन ऑप्शन C that is the Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Thanks for watching. If you like the video please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.